Welcome back. This is Ishwar. This is the second video where we are trying to help the solution architect, my ex-colleague. In this video, you are going to see never seen before AI interview. It is going to give the interview feedback exactly like it's done in the corporate. You will see a proper interview feedback form. You are going to see the technical evaluation, behavioral evaluation. You will also see the confidence determination, how it is done. And what's more, you will see the entire transcript. You are also going to see the respective video clips of the answer. So while looking at how the solution architect does it, you are also going to gain a lot. And in the end, you are also going to see how to publish if it is done well. Let's get started. First, a quick recap of what happened in the previous video. In the first video, we were trying to help my ex-colleague, solution architect. Unfortunately, he lost the job. Let us look at the whole flow once again. That is plan, prepare and publish, which is shown as connect here. In planning, this solution architect is going to fill the survey, get the report, analyze it and then choose. Then in the prepare, which is the focus of this video, screening test and the mock interview is going to do. So let's jump into that. We saw how to fill a survey and get the profile feedback. If he does multiple times, then he is going to see which fits the best, which would be his top 3 or top 5 options, and hopefully he decided by now. So that takes us to the agenda of second video, which we already talked about. We go up in the dashboard and see the smart moves. It says 40%. Yeah, that's okay. For since it is an illustration, let's just go ahead. It's a director of data sciences and AI. So let's see what happens now. So it shows, see, now I can choose to go back to that particular feedback, or I can go to directly to the screening test. So I choose to press this green button and then go to the screening test. Screening test is pertaining to the profile, pertaining to the job description, and the purpose is very clear. It serves as preparation for the very quick screening call you may get, where you talk to some HR or some hiring manager, where they will ask very simple questions for few minutes. In these few minutes, they are trying to see whether you are the person which the resume claims. This is one big reason we are giving this. So many shiny resumes with Gen AI, they won't help you too much, because your own thinking, your original personality doesn't come in there. It is a problem. We'll talk in some other video. Okay, we look at this. What kind of survey we have? Okay, what is the primary goal of data science and AI strategy in product development? To reduce the cost, enhance the feature. Okay, I have completed the screening test. It was not easy for me at all. I should get the feedback now. Okay, there is answer. I am not interested in looking at the answer. Okay, here I will directly go to interview. I have not prepared for this role. Remember that my resume is still technology. My resume is of a solution architect. So now I am going to enter the data science interview, head of data science interview, with my resume of solution architect. Let me see Now I'm using the camera for some other purpose as well. So let's see if it works. Okay, camera doesn't work. So I have gone one step back and then I'm trying to see. I have released my camera from the other applications. I've gone one step back and then let's see if it works. Let me try fresh and let's see what happens. Okay, looks like it allows. Let's okay. So I think I got the camera. Now I need to start the interview. Okay, let me start. Wish me luck. Tell me about yourself. Okay. Okay, I'm Ishwar and I have decades of experience. I'm hands-on in data science as well, and I have good experience in managing people. I have built several teams in my career, at least 10 different teams. Currently, as a leader of my startup, also I'm leading a team and also I'm hands-on. I will demonstrate leadership with content, also leadership with empathy, and then the people friendliness. At the same time, I know how to balance with the organization needs. So this is one very good reason. I think I will be a very good fit for this role. Now I can press this answer done button. That's what I'm going to do. And as you can see here, the audio had been working. That's the visualizer you can see here. If I talk louder, then it goes up. So it is the working visualizer. So this has a 2 minutes cap on each answer. So now I'm pressing answer done. This will result in it pushing the next question for me. And if I don't answer on time, yeah, at 2 minutes, it cuts me off and then closes the answer. I'm waiting for the next question. Okay, can you give me an overview of your professional background and key experiences? Interview is completed here. After the interview is done, it takes a while to process because during the interview, it records all the answers. It analyzes the questions and answers together for the role, for the job description you have given. So it is going to take some time. Maybe after a few minutes or after a few hours, you may get the feedback through email. So wait for that email. Once that email comes, then you can look at the whole feedback. My immediate reaction after the interview is this: it helped a lot since I don't really practice for this kind of a role, that what would be the example, specific example, and then getting cross questioned on my answer. These are not easy. We need to think through and then bring all those thoughts to the fore. This is where the career plan virtual mock interview, the interview preparation helps a lot. Lot of things you will know, but when you actually talk in the virtual interview, that's when you try to recollect. That's when you will lose out. If you already recollect, if you have done the practice, if you have done it few times, each time you'll get a different question. So from the same experience or the same profile which you have will get questioned from different angles. When you practice more, that's where it really helps you. You will be able to, instead of thinking what to answer, you will be right away going and smashing. The moment you practice an answer, it is going to make a huge difference. A lot of topics in the interview we already know. When we are in the mock interview room here, that is a good opportunity to get serious, because it's not just mock interview or alone. You have an opportunity to publish this itself to potential employers if this goes well. It's important that you do this with the maximum seriousness, because who knows, this practice itself may give you job. Okay, I got the interview feedback email. This is interesting. It says that, okay, confidence was weak because I was thinking too much, okay, what to answer. It was not in my head. You may lose out due to wrong judgment on the part of interviewer. You won't be able to do much about it. Yeah, I will go to my full feedback. I'm so excited about seeing it now. Okay, see, this is a surprise for me. So it says that, okay, I got good rating in ML and AI, and decent in governance. Product development also, it is good, decent. Yeah, I think it is good from considering behavioral skills. Leadership, it shows excellent. Communication, it is weak, because like I said, I'm still hesitating because my thoughts are not clear. When thoughts are not clear, we always hesitate. With more and more practice, your thoughts will be clear. You will be able to communicate more clearly. That's what is lacking in whatever I have done so far. So I need to practice more. So this is exactly the beauty, because for each of the roles, right, the questions you may get may be different. And as we said, the questions, uh, career plan considers questions from the end, not just from the domain, and also from that company's perspective. Okay, moving on. Yeah, looks like there are many areas which it shows that it's good, decent. Yeah, I think, okay, now it's very tempting for me. I can publish the profile if I would like. See, this is whatever we have seen so far is the interview feedback. It is an interview feedback. Now there is a mentor feedback. Interview feedback is what you would normally get as a feedback within the company. You are never going to see that, right, whenever you attend interview. Here it is a mentor feedback, where this idea is said to be more personal and more detailed, and hopefully more straight. It is going to be little tough, I hope, because that is for me as a personal feedback. Okay, it says many different experiences here. Yeah, it shows many things what is required, current level and target level. In all areas it shows, yeah, I need to improve here. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is also coming from, part of this is coming from the profile and also the screening test. This is not the interview feedback per se here, whatever you are seeing now, but the initially whatever came, that is the interview feedback based on the questions and answers and the video analytics. But this is, yeah, now it comes. Now it comes. Okay, tell about yourself. Okay. Yeah, see, you can see the interview transcript, and also you can see the video itself. See question 2. You can see whatever you are getting here. See, for everything you are getting here. So I will not get into the each answers for it. I am not going to explain everything here. Can you see here? It's the mood indicator. Can you see the mood indicator here? For a particular question, I was not very confidently answering. See, it was already showing that confidence was low here. And what is the question? Whatever be the question here. And this is a big indicator, and it's not just simply talking there. For everything, you are getting transcript, you are getting a video copy of whatever you spoke, and you are getting this analysis as well. And remember, this is the video analytics, the confidence you are seeing. It's not just based on the text. So it is coming from multimodal way. So it is analyzing you from multiple angles. So that way it's very useful to see which direction you need to improve, what kind of, whether it is a technology or whether it is whether you need to improve the tech side or the management side of your answers, or how you feel about the role that you need to answer, how you visualize your own role and how you operate in that role. Those things also you may have to improve based on these things and these thoughts, what to improve, right? By looking at the reports, you will realize it yourself also, plus the feedback, very specific feedbacks which you get from career plan. And also you, along with this, the very specific answers also, you will see lot of these feedbacks here. Some answers remain. See, in some cases I was very specific, and in some cases it were too generic, because I was not bringing up for the role of head of data science. I need to give more data. When we say more data, it is a metrics. There is a recurring issue with incomplete response. Challenges and solutions. Can you see this here? Engagement could be improved. Some responses feel rushed or lack enthusiasm. Few answers lack a clear connection to the job description. See, this is a very important feedback. Can you see this here? Check. Please note that it is not just when you go to some interview. If you offline approach somebody for reference, also treat that itself as an interview. So that's why if you do this particular mock interview, remember all the feedback from here and then use it when you approach different people. Even if it is a friend, you can say, hey, when I want to apply for this job due to this, whatever the factors, right? This is why I feel I'm very good. When you, for that talk also, for that pitch also, use this feedback. There is no way you will fail if you implement this properly. If you use career plan properly, there is no way you will fail. You will get what you want if you practice properly. Yeah, I think I'm pleased with this. I'm not very pleased with my performance here, but I'm pleased with the feedback I got. So I'm going to give 5-star here. If you think it has helped you, yeah, now I can do another mock interview. So I may do it sometime. But right now, yeah, for now, I hope you got the idea of how the whole thing works. Okay, I can also look at the interview progress here. See, whatever we saw before was a transcript. Now you can see the confidence rating and answer rating. See, the overall confidence is still not up to the mark. So in every area, I think I need to improve quite a bit. Here out of 5, overall it was giving okay answer. I think it is giving okay, but this is just not enough at the senior levels because candidates are too many and the stakes are too high. Nobody will easily make an offer. I hope you liked the video and I hope you understood how the interview works. I hope you have seen it. Once you do more interviews, you will see a graph here, whether it is improving, what is improving, and while you improve, if something else is decreasing, again you may need to practice. So all this, if you continuously keep doing it for the target roles you have in mind, you are definitely going to succeed.